Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about my arts education projects. So this is my science project. This is my biology project. My topic is flora and fauna. So firstly I am going to talk about flora. Flora is all the plant life present in a particular region of time, generally the naturally occurring indigenous native plants. The corresponding term for animal life is fauna. Flora, fauna, and other forms of life, such as fungi, are collectively referred to as biodata. Next, I am going to talk about fauna. So, fauna is all of the animal life present in a particular region or time. The corresponding term for plants is flora. Flora, fauna, and other forms of life, such as fungi, are collectively referred to as biodata. Now I am going to talk about flora and fauna of Nagaland state. This is Nagaland's flora and fauna. About 1/6 of Nagaland is covered by tropical and subtropical evergreen forests, including palms, bamboo, rattan, as well as timber and mahogany forests. While some forest areas have been cleared for jhum cultivation, many scrub forests, high grass, reeds, secondary dogs, pangolins, cormorants, elephants, leopards, bears, many species of monkeys, sambar, hares, oxen, and buffaloes thrive across the state's forests. The Great Indian Hornbill is one of the most famous birds found in the state. Bellet's tragopan, a vulnerable species of pheasant, is the state bird of Nagaland. It is sighted in Mount Jaffrey and Zuko Valley of Kohima district, Satoi Range in Zuheboto district, and Futsero in Phek district. Satoi Range in Zuheboto district and Futsero in Phek district. Of the merry 2,500 trapogons cited in the world, Zuko Valley is the natural habitat of more than 1,000. Mithun, a semi-domesticated gaur found only in the northern eastern states of India, is the state animal of Nagaland and has been adopted as the official seal of the government of Nagaland. It is ritually the most valued species in the state. To conserve and protect this animal in the northeast, the National Research Centre on Mithun NRCM was established by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR in 1988. Flora of a place is the result of the interplay of a combination of factors: endemic, climatic, and topographic. Being mountainous and having received heavy rainfall for many millennia in the past ages, one would expect the soil of the land of the thickest topsoil layers anywhere in the world. In land of the thickest topsoil layers anywhere in the world, in many a place the ground has been cut 100 meters into the mountain side without meeting the underlying rock. It is surprising to see how much a mountainous area is the heaviest of rainfall in the world, coupled with the devastating method of jhum cultivation, could still have such thick topsoil in its lands. The reason may be found in porous nature of soil, where every rainfall sinks underground, where it falls without surface flow of water current. It may be due to the tremendous speed with which plants cover up bare area of soil surface. This is due to the excellent plant growth conditions of soil. Water temperature is prevalent in the area. Now let us see few images of flora and fauna of Nagaland. Now I am going to talk about flora and fauna of Manipur state. Now here is Manipur flora and fauna. Blessed with an amazing variety of flora and fauna, 67% of the geographical area of Manipur are hill tracts covered with green forests. Churchangpur and Tamenglong districts in particular have vast areas covered with bamboo forests and small areas of 22,000 square kilometer. Manipur has alpine forests of pines, grasslands and meadows, and alpine forest of pines, grasslands and meadows at Zuko and Shiroi, coveted the world over. Some of the most beautiful and precious blooms and orchids abound in their natural habitat, spreading their beauty and color, stunning eyes that are not used to seeing them in such profusion. Here are about 500 varieties of orchids which grow in Manipur, of which 472 have been identified. The Hulog gibbon, slow roris, spotted linsang, Mrs. Humes, blackbird pheasant, blitz, tragopan, hornbills, etc. form only a small part of the rich natural heritage of Manipur. Nong is in the state bird of Manipur. Now here are few images